Let's start with practical application of Cucumber behavior-driven development with a parameterization and multiple data sets. For this, I'm gonna add another feature file. I'm gonna call it payment dot feature. I don't need all of this. And I don't need all of this. Right now, to work with multiple data sets and parameterization, this is parameters format. However, in a second, I'll show you how to fix it. You need scenario, not scenario, scenario outline. And you need examples for your data sets here. Right now, I'll copy it. Copy everything. Copy everything here. Copy everything here. Loan payment. Loan payment. Now, I'll say I'll place to make it different. And I ask for interest. Okay, so amount, term, interest. Now, these are parameters. You see they are in yellow right now. And they are not supposed to be in yellow. So they're supposed to be in green. Put double quotes. Good. Now, amount, this parameter name supposed to be in headings. Interest, interest. Now, let's say 100,000. I want 10 years. And I want 2.5%. Let's say I want 300,000. I want 15 years. I want 3.5%. Okay. So first of all, you need to save this file. However, before saving it, okay, you need to format it. Please select, right click and select this one, pretty format. Once again, right click. I'll show you the difference right here. Right click, pretty format. Right now it's good for saving. Also not. Once again, pretty format. I'll add soon another rows here. File, save. Now, I take loan payments. I'll copy it. Paste it. And I simply gonna call it payment. Okay. Now, I don't need this loan feature. Well, we get it right here, and soon I'm gonna add another sets. Now I'll fix payment file. Now, before I explain the format of payments Java file, I moved previous Java file to spare folder here, loan feature and loan payment to spare. Okay, so what I've done here, first of all, we're supposed to format it because we're using parameters and multiple data set. We're supposed to use it as a regular expression. So I place this sign and this sign. This sign is script number 6, PF6 on your keyboard, and this dollar sign is PF4 on your keyboard. So all your Cucumber statements supposed to start and end with these signs. 1, 2, 1, 2, and all of them. Secondly, I removed thread sleep and throw throwable in all of them. Now, most important two things. You're supposed to add your functions here. Public void input load amount are expecting parameters amount, term, interest. So I added string amount and amount as to send keys here. Then I added string term as parameters and to send keys here term. Same with interest. I added string interest. This function expects a parameter, send keys as interest. Now, something interested also. These three, when I input amount, I place term, I ask interest. Exchange parameter with regular expression. And this is the format for regular expression. This is the one for regular expression. So you simply copy it and place I input, and instead of amount here, this is the expression. This stands for amount. I place term. This regular expression stands for term. Please do not forget start, end. I place term. I place, this is term. Here I ask interest. Here I ask, this is interest. Before $sign, and should start like that. This is a cucumber format with parameters and multiple data sets. And I added another sets here. Do not forget to use pretty format. Okay. Now let's see how it's gonna work out. So we have three functions, three methods with parameters. Amount, term, and interest. Let's see. I placed comment right here. This is the format. Now we're running with test runner. And let's see how it's going to work out. Once again, I'll delete this business email. We don't need it. Okay, it's gonna create new one. Okay, and I moved previous file to spare folder here. Let's run it. Run as TestNG, do not forget it. Let's see. First data set. Complete. Second data set. Okay. Seems like final one. Okay. Right here, past file 5 fail 0. Let's see it all. One scenario, 3, 4, 5. 5 scenarios. Okay. What's in here in your console, run 5, pass 5. Okay. They will passed. Passed. Okay, very good. Clear, don't need it anymore. So once again, let's remind you. We started with loan feature, Cucumber Basic, and we created loan payment. We tried all three drivers, web browser drivers. I explain you how to run, how to set up, how to avoid initializing driver to null here. Simply initialize, it's TestNG. Okay. Then how to apply all of them. I apply WebDriver Manager in case you decide you wanna set system property or so else. It was the one. Then we created payment feature, another one, right here. We added parameters. Payments. We supplied everything we need. We exchanged everything for regular expressions. And whenever regular expressions expect parameter, this is the format. Okay. And finally, we run everything in test runner file. You can apply two of them. This first one was simple. This is a more complete Cucumber options, all in TestNG. Let me see. Business, 3 minutes ago, took 43 seconds, 100% passed. Good enough. Okay. Now to complete a few words about Cucumber itself. Cucumber originally was invented for the user acceptance testing. What does it mean? Any project stockholder, including end user, business analyst, project manager, or any other subject matter expert might create a use case here. This is a use case. Your scenario is a use case. So later a developer accepts the test case and converts it to actual code, which you can run in a manner or JUnit or better with TestNG Cucumber tests. Now you need to apply it reasonable Cucumber whenever it really makes sense. Sometimes it's better to apply simple safe model or page object model. It all depends on the situation. And once again, it's totally up to you to decide how to apply it. Cucumber available also in many other integrated development environments with other languages also. This is it. See you in the next lectures.